Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create class font effect in PixelLab. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my PixelLab application on my mobile phone and I'm going to change the background to black. Wait, I'm going to go to the color and then I'm just going to select the black color as my background and I'm going to add text. I'm going to type in, for example, glass font. Okay, tap on OK, and I'm going to change the font. I'm going to go to the font menu, and I'm going to select this one, right? And I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to increase the size of the text. All right, and then I'm going to make it transparent. I'm going to go to the color and select transparent. Okay, then apply stroke. Go to the stroke and enabled. I'm going to select white for the color. Okay, click on the check mark and go to the inner shadow. Enable it. And for the shadow, I'm going to select white. And I'm going to increase the blur radius and the offset X as well, just like this, to create glass effect. Okay, and I'm going to click on this check mark and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create glass font effect in PixelLab. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.